Hi Eric here. What we have today is an episode for quick review, comparison and modification on none other latest and may I say greatest CasiOak model, the GBM-2100 series. And the name might suggest as well as a dial you will later see, yes, it contains both Bluetooth and solar function as well as having a metal shroud or casing, practically a perfect child born from GM and GBM-2100 series, very reasonably priced on top of all. Around $170 you can bring this beauty back home and having tremendous fun. On the exterior, there's no dimension differences whatsoever compared to the extremely similar GM series modules such as this one on the right. Not GM's 5611 or JB's 5689, yet module has now changed to 5729 on the GBM series. My guess is CasiOak made some changes to JB module to retrofit into a GM structure, hence the iteration we see today. All the magic was done on the inside, absolutely. On a further look, we can see the latest GBM model dials are far more texture than the plain yet slightly sunburst pattern from GAB. The new look has a grip design on the main panel area. On first glance, you almost wouldn't believe this is a solar-able model, for many of them has to be somewhat transparent in dial to let the solar device underneath absorb sunlight properly. And it's really limiting how these solar dials can be designed and aesthetically look cool, but not CasiOak and not this model apparently. You have to give it to them, deliver yet another home run. Not only that, chapter ring and hour marker are also having big upgrades. You have color matching chapter rings in way better finishing and refined shape. Both that and hour markers are generously loomed. It seems like CasiOak really starts listening what people want. It would be way more simple for those people loving CasiOak watches yet wanted more, but doesn't have the skills for it to mod. Now the way I see it, CasiOak released these as in-house officially modded modules. If we can do it, I can't think of any reason why CasiOak couldn't. They just simply see this missing tier in the hierarchy. You have your MRGB-2100 at the very top, next up GMB-2100 with bracelet, then GM-2100, GMB-2100, GA-2100, GMAS-2100 for ladies, or so to be. Something's not right, no? Yes, of course, we are one combination short to fill in the spot. A model that has best of both worlds, solar, Bluetooth, metal, rubber, and GBM-2100 is born. Because it is dimensionally on the outer specs the same with GM series, so any modding kit available and compatible with GM series will also apply on the GBM series. It is as easy as that. Snap on, bolted the screws on the side, and voila! There you have your CasiOak transformed with this beauty inside. Arguably much more refined outer metal casing with high polish and brush surfaces all carried out proportionally in every corner. The fully articulate bracelet is no different than that for people who wanted the same MRG or GMB bracelet experience. We got you covered. Relatively speaking, this 5th generation of CasiOak modern kit is a great entry for beginners, simple yet elegant for your every occasion. Now this is something else. The Gen.6 CasiOak that we developed and designed, what we call Ultra, with all if not better metal finishing inherited. The entire post-modification package is way slimmer and compact, so we chose another equally elegant look having a chronograph appearance. Since it's a new design, sapphire crystal was included for durability. An anti-reflective layer was applied on the underside. All the metal parts exposed to your eyes are hardened with super scratch resistant coating, making daily and even yearly wearing a child's play. Not a single dent or mark will be visible after long-term usage. Up the mountains, down the river, sky is the limit. Such specifications are written on the case back alongside our branding. Above your wrist and under the watch, we take care of every corner and we do mean it. The superb finishing is through and through. If we put the modded and original GBM-2100 together, the differences are more apparent. Thickness is the first thing you will notice, shaving off almost a millimeter, but Nia reminds you that this modification has a dedicated case back already attached, with zero compromise to water resistance, standing proud and strong at 200 meters, not to mention pool party or downright swimming. On the very last bit of this video, let's have a parallel comparison through original, Gen 5 and Gen 6 altogether.
I got no loving anymore. No, I got no what to do. I got no loving anymore. I know I got no what to do. I got no trembling anymore. That I got no what to do.
One more thing before we go, other than this beautiful bracelet, rubber accessory comes in numerous colors, plus that we have summer sales for 10% off till 1st of September that ends. Not only modern kits, we also have completed builds for ones do not want the hassle of modding whatsoever. Just enjoy this straight out of the unboxing. Click below to get into our channel and you can find presentation video for those. All in all, great selection. Do visit our site. It's SKXMOD.com. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.